Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable using EVgo app to start charging quickly. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using the EVgo app, first, ensure your smartphone is connected to the internet. Download the EVgo app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Provide the necessary information, including your email address and a secure password. After creating an account, log in with your credentials. Next, allow the app to access your location for easier charging station identification. On the home screen, you will see a map displaying nearby charging stations. Zoom into the map to find the EVgo stations that are closest to you. Select a charging station that fits your needs by tapping on it. The app will display details about the station, including available chargers and pricing. To begin the charging process, tap the Start Charging button. Next, you will be prompted to select your vehicle's make and model if it's not already saved in your profile. After confirming your vehicle information, follow the on-screen instructions. Plug your vehicle into the selected charger. The app will initiate the charging session automatically. You can monitor the charging progress through the app interface. If you need to stop charging at any time, simply select the Stop Charging option in the app. Once your vehicle is fully charged or you've reached your desired charge level, unplug your car. Lastly, make sure to complete any payment process if required, using the app. Now you're ready to enjoy the convenience of charging with the EVgo app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.